We now move on to the shop floor part of the system, where we're going to capture data electronically through the operators, which will feed back into the Shuttleworth system. We do this through a browser-based solution that is designed for touchscreen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the screen, log in as the operator, who in this case is Michael Owen, start a job, and when I click on that button, it feeds me the work to list from the production scheduling software. I hopefully then select the next job, which is the aircraft carton, and select the operation, which has come from the estimate, confirm that, and as the operator I'm now logged on to the system. So I'm now collecting time by the operator, by the cost centre, the operation within the cost centre or machine, and also by the job as well. So just to take you through that process again, if I'm John, I'm going to start a job and I'm working on the Xerox 1 machine. I'm going to select that operation, hit the Make Ready button and confirm I'm logged on. And we now start collecting information against the job as well. When Michael has finished the Make Ready on the press, he then comes back to the software, hits the Next Process button, selects what he's doing next, which is Run, confirm that, and he's now finished collecting time on the Make Ready and is now collecting time on the Run. Back in the production planning software, we can now see those bookings from shop floor coming directly real time into the plan. This is illustrated by these green blocks, which against my CD 102 is showing me my actual performance against this blue area, which is my estimated performance. And again, if we look at the Xerox machine here, we can see again this is our actual booking coming in from against our estimated booking and showing our progress in real time as that's booked through the data capture system. If we take a typical scenario now, if the press should break down, we come up to the software, tell us that we're starting an indirect. We can select what type of indirect. These are all user definable, so it's a machine breakdown, and this may be because I've got a feeder issue. Confirm that, and what it does is it stops the booking on the job and on the operation and starts recording time on the machine breakdown. At this point I can also put a note against this particular operation to say something along the lines of just on the sheet that's causing hickeys, that's creating the problem, and I can allocate that problem or issue to anybody within the business so that they can then action that as they feel appropriate. Back in productive, in the planning system, we're now getting the breakdown coming through in a different colour to highlight that we've got a problem on our particular press. That gives a clear indication of what is going on. If I float the mouse over there, that will give some information to tell me that I've got a machine breakdown and there's feeder issues on the CD. Once the problem has been sorted on the press, the operator simply comes back up, says I'm stopping the indirect, the breakdown, confirm that, and it logs him back onto the job and starts collecting time again against the job.